Next we are going to discuss about example sum 5.16. Prove analytically that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and is equal to half of its length. So we have to take one triangle PQR. Okay, PQR, this is the first side, second side, third side. Okay, so we have to midpoint of the two sides. So this is the midpoint. PQ midpoint is S, PR midpoint is T. So two midpoint joining the line. Okay, this line is parallel to third side and half of its length also they are given. Okay, we have to prove like this. So we don't know the nothing value, so I don't know P, Q, R. So point P is A comma B, point Q is C comma D, point R is E comma F, like that I am taken. So using this I am going to find out the midpoint of S and midpoint of T. So let P of A comma B, Q of C comma D and R of E comma F be the vertices of a triangle. Be the vertices of the triangle. Let S be the midpoint of PQ. S be the midpoint of PQ and T be the midpoint of PR. Okay. Next midpoint of S and midpoint of T I am going to find out. Midpoint formula is what? X1 plus X2 by 2, Y1 plus Y2 by 2. So PQ. Midpoint of S, PQ only know. So P value A comma B, Q value C comma D. So X1 plus X2, A plus C by 2, comma B plus D by 2. Midpoint of T. So midpoint of T, P and R. So P, A comma B, R, E comma F. So X1 plus X2, A plus E by 2, comma B plus F by 2. So now we found the value of point S and point T. We have to find out the values. So the next you have to keep it like this itself. Next slope of ST. This slope you have to find out. This slope you have to find out. Slope means what is the formula? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. S value, T value is the X1 Y1, X2 Y2. So next what is the value? Y2 minus Y1. So B plus F by 2 minus B plus D by 2 by X2. A plus E by 2 minus A plus C by 2 equal to here equal to here see here P plus F, this minus I am going to multiply inside, so minus B minus D by common value 2 by same thing A plus E, this minus I am going to multiply inside, minus A minus C by common value 2. So what are all going to strike out? Plus B minus B, plus A minus A. This 2 and 2 also cut it. How is it possible? Listen, what are all values is there? F minus D by 2 by E minus C by 2 is there not? This one you have to move this side. 2 by E minus C. So 2 cancel. This answer F minus D by E minus C will come. Okay. The next one, slope of QR. Slope of ST we found. ST we found. Next slope of QR, because we have to prove that slopes are equal. Slopes are equal, we have to prove that. Okay. So slope of QR. Q value C comma D, R value E comma F, X1 Y1, X2 Y2. So QR is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1, F minus D by E minus C. So listen here. Here F minus D by E minus C. Slope of ST. Okay. Slope of QR, same thing, F minus D by E minus C. So slopes ST and Q are parallel because the slopes are equal. So this is the parallel. Okay. So first one we proved. The next we have to prove that this length is half. Length is half means we have to find out the distance. We have to find out the distance. So distance of QR, distance of QR, distance of ST we have to find out. First I am going to find out the distance of QR. Q value C comma D, R value E comma F. Distance formula is what? Root of X2 minus X1 the whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 the whole square. So Q is equal to X2 minus X1, E minus C the whole square plus F minus D the whole square. This is equation number 1. You have to assume that. Next distance of ST. Distance of ST. S point A plus C by 2, comma B plus D by 2. T A plus E by 2, comma B plus F by 2. So x2 minus x1. A plus E by 2 minus A plus C by 2 plus B plus F by 2 minus B plus D by 2 the whole square. Next the common value 2. A plus E. This minus you have to multiply inside. Minus A minus C the whole square. Plus the common value 2. B plus F minus B minus D the whole square. So see here. Plus A minus A cancel. So next plus B minus B cancel. So what will come remaining? E minus C the whole square plus F minus D the whole square. Okay. So E minus C the whole square by 4 plus F minus D the whole square by 4. So 4 is the, this one you have to write like this. E minus C the whole square plus F minus D the whole square by 4. This 1 by 4 you have to take it out. 1 by 2. Root of E minus C the whole square plus F minus D the whole square. So 1 by 2 into QR, because QR value, QR distance, root of E minus C the whole square plus F minus D the whole square. So from equation 1. So what we have to prove that ST is parallel to QR and half of its length also we proved. Okay. Thank you students.